Let's look at 5 phrases now to help you describe summertime. Our first one. Summer is coming. Tá an saoire ag teacht. Tá an saoire ag teacht. Summer is coming. Next, the flowers come out in the summer, or the flowers blossom in summer. Tagan na bláhanna amach sa saoire. Tagan na bláhanna amach sa saoire. We are on summer holidays. Tá muid ar saoire don saoire. Tá muid ar saoire don saoire. The summer is coming to an end. Tá muid ag teanna Ladera an saoire. Tá muid ag teanna Ladera an saoire. And our next phrase, it was a long, hot summer. Bhí saoire fada te ann. Bhí saoire fada te ann. It was a long, hot summer. And since you stayed around till the end of the video, here's a bonus word. Brack is the Irish for trout. Brack. And this is also the Irish for speckled, which is what a trout is. It's pretty much speckled with kind of spots or freckles, whatever you want to call them. Brack for a trout. So thanks for watching. I appreciate your support and comments. Please subscribe if you want to learn more Irish words and phrases. And I'll see you soon. Slán go fóill.